Imagine a place where the sun paints the earth in hues of gold and amber, in the sun-drenched landscapes of Africa, where the horizon stretches endlessly, lies a realm of incredible beauty and untold stories. It is here in this vibrant and challenging environment that we find a creature of extraordinary grace. This is the transition zone where the Sahara meets the Sahel, a delicate balance between arid desert and semi-arid grassland. Here, life finds a way, and amidst the sparse vegetation and towering acacia trees, a unique species thrives. A rare and graceful creature roams, the Dama gazelle, a symbol of resilience and adaptation. With its elegant form and gentle demeanor, it stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the African wilderness. With its long, slender legs, perfectly adapted for traversing the vast distances of its habitat, the Dama gazelle moves with an effortless grace. These legs are not just for show, they are essential for survival, allowing it to outrun predators and navigate the challenging terrain, and its striking chestnut and white coat provides camouflage amidst the shifting sands and sun-baked grasses, helping it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This distinctive coloration is not only beautiful but also crucial for evading detection. The Dama gazelle is both the largest of its kind, an imposing figure on the landscape, and one of the rarest gazelles, its numbers dwindling due to habitat loss and other threats. Seeing one in the wild is a privilege, a glimpse into a world that is rapidly disappearing. Its elegance is matched only by its vulnerability, a constant reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Every movement is a dance between survival and extinction. It moves like a whisper across the harsh wilderness, a fleeting presence in an unforgiving land. Its passage is silent, almost ethereal, leaving little trace of its existence. For centuries, these animals have survived, their existence intertwined with the fate of the Sahel. They are a part of the ancient tapestry of this land, their story etched into the very soil. They have done so by adapting to the rhythm of the seasons, enduring droughts, and celebrating brief periods of abundance. Their lives are a testament to the power of adaptation. Their lives shaped by the relentless search for food and water, a constant struggle for survival in a land of scarcity. Every day is a challenge, every sip of water a victory. Their large dark eyes reflect a world that is rapidly changing, a world facing unprecedented challenges. These eyes have witnessed generations come and go, and they hold the wisdom of the ages. They hold a silent plea for understanding and protection, a desperate hope for a future where they can continue to roam free. Their gaze is a powerful reminder of what we stand to lose. The Dama gazelle's story is one of resilience and fragility, a delicate balance between strength and vulnerability. It is a story that deserves to be heard. It is a symbol of the wild spirit of the Sahel, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that still exists in our world. It represents the untamed heart of Africa. Its fate is inextricably tied to our actions, a reflection of our choices and their impact on the natural world. We hold the key to its survival, reminding us of our responsibility to be stewards of this planet, to protect the vulnerable and preserve the beauty that surrounds us. We must act now to ensure its future, to protect the wonders of the natural world for future generations to marvel at and cherish. Let us safeguard the Dama gazelle and its habitat, ensuring that its story continues for years to come. Let us step into the world of the Dama gazelle, a world of beauty, resilience, and fragility, and discover the life of this magnificent wanderer, a creature that embodies the spirit of the African wilderness. Let's learn from it and let's protect it. The Dama gazelle's home is the Sahel, a region as beautiful as it is challenging. It's a place where survival is a daily struggle, and only the most resilient creatures can thrive. This is where the Dama gazelle has carved out its existence, adapting to the harsh conditions and making the most of what the land offers. It's a vast, semi-arid belt stretching across Africa, a transitional zone with unique characteristics. From above, the landscape seems endless, a sea of sand and sparse vegetation that extends to the horizon. This seemingly barren land is, in fact, a complex ecosystem teeming with life that has learned to adapt to the scarcity of resources. The Sahel acts as a crucial transition zone, a bridge between the arid Sahara Desert and the lush savannas further south. It's where the harsh desert gradually gives way to grasslands, creating a unique environment that supports a diverse range of species. This delicate balance is what makes the Sahel so special and so vulnerable. This landscape is a patchwork of grasslands and acacia woodlands, a mosaic of habitats that provide sustenance and shelter for the Dama gazelle and other wildlife. The scattered acacia trees offer shade and a source of food, while the grasslands provide grazing opportunities, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The Sahel is shaped by dramatic wet and dry seasons, a cycle of abundance and scarcity that dictates the rhythm of life. These extreme weather patterns create a challenging environment, but also one that is full of surprises, with the landscape transforming dramatically with each passing season. During brief rains, the Sahel bursts into green, a vibrant explosion of life that transforms the landscape. The parched earth drinks deeply, and dormant seeds awaken, carpeting the land with lush vegetation. This is a time of plenty, when the Dama gazelle can replenish its reserves and prepare for the long, dry season ahead. But for most of the year it is dry and unforgiving, a harsh reality that tests the limits of survival. Water becomes scarce, and the land turns brown and barren, forcing the Dama gazelle to roam far and wide in search of sustenance. This is a time of hardship, but also a testament to the resilience of life in the Sahel. The Dama gazelle survives by being a nomad, a perpetual traveler in search of greener pastures. They're constantly on the move, following the rains and seeking out areas where food and water are available. This nomadic lifestyle is essential for their survival, allowing them to adapt to the ever-changing conditions of the Sahel. They are always moving in search of water and fresh pasture, driven by an instinct to survive and thrive. Their keen senses guide them to hidden water sources and patches of vegetation, allowing them to navigate the harsh landscape and find the resources they need to sustain themselves. Once, their range spanned from Morocco to Sudan, a vast territory that encompassed much of the Sahel. They roamed freely across this land, their numbers thriving in the diverse habitats that it offered. This was a time of abundance when the Dama gazelle was a common sight across the region, but today it's reduced to isolated pockets, fragmented habitats that are increasingly threatened by human activity and climate change. Their once vast kingdom has shrunk dramatically, leaving them vulnerable and struggling to survive in a world that is rapidly changing around them. Now, they are mainly found in Chad, Niger, and Mali, a few remaining strongholds where they cling to existence. These isolated populations represent the last hope for the Dama gazelle, and their survival depends on the conservation efforts that are being implemented in these regions. Human expansion, agriculture, livestock and settlements has placed immense pressure on the Dama gazelle and its habitat. As human populations grow, they encroach further into the Sahel, converting grasslands into farmland and disrupting the natural balance of the ecosystem. This expansion has blocked ancient migration routes and shrunk their kingdom, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food and water. Fences, roads, and other human-made barriers prevent them from moving freely across the landscape, isolating populations and reducing their genetic diversity. Climate change is making the land even more arid, exacerbating the challenges faced by the Dama gazelle. As temperatures rise and rainfall becomes more erratic, the Sahel is becoming increasingly inhospitable, making it even harder for them to find the resources they need to survive. This threatens the delicate balance of this ecosystem, pushing it to the brink of collapse. The Dama gazelle, as a keystone species, plays a vital role in maintaining the health of the Sahel, and its decline has far-reaching consequences for the entire ecosystem. The Sahel, once a vast kingdom for the Dama, is now under siege, facing unprecedented threats from human activity and climate change. The future of this iconic landscape and its inhabitants hangs in the balance, requiring urgent action to protect and restore this fragile ecosystem. The future of this elegant inhabitant hangs in the balance, a symbol of the challenges facing wildlife in a rapidly changing world. Will we be able to protect the Dama gazelle and its habitat, or will it disappear from the Sahel forever? The answer lies in our hands. A Dama gazelle's day begins at dawn when the herd stirs in the cool light. They are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk to avoid the midday heat. Mornings and evenings are for foraging, browsing on acacia leaves and desert shrubs for food and moisture. As the sun rises, they seek shade, resting and ruminating to conserve energy. Calves stay close to their mothers, and the herd remains alert for danger, Herds are fluid, sometimes just a few individuals, sometimes 20 or more, led by a dominant male. This flexibility helps them adapt to the ever-changing Sahel. As dusk falls, they feed again, then gather in open areas for safety against predators. Their daily rhythm is a delicate dance of survival, finely tuned to the demands of their environment. Each day is a testament to their endurance and grace. The Dama gazelle's survival depends on remarkable, often hidden adaptations. They extract most of their water from the plants they eat, thanks to efficient kidneys that minimize water loss. Their communication is subtle. Body language, ear flicks and tail movements convey warnings and intentions. When threatened, they may stot, leaping high with stiff legs, to signal fitness and deter predators. This display can warn the herd and sometimes convince predators to give up that chase. Birthing is secretive. Mothers isolate themselves, hiding newborn calves in dense vegetation. The calf remains motionless and camouflaged, with the mother returning only to nurse. This strategy minimizes scent trails and protects the vulnerable young. These hidden behaviors are crucial for survival in a world of constant threats. The Dama's secretive ways are a silent pact for survival. Every adaptation is a testament to their mastery of the desert fringe. Life in the Sahel is a constant battle with predators for the Dama gazelle. Their wide-set eyes provide a panoramic view, allowing them to spot danger from afar. The herd acts as a network of vigilance. Many eyes and ears increase their chances of survival. When threatened, they rely on explosive speed and zigzag running to evade cheetahs, wild dogs, and hyenas. Staying in groups reduces each individual's risk, confusing predators and increasing safety. Dominant males act as sentinels, sounding alarms and giving calves a head start. But today the greatest threat is not natural predators, it's humans. Hunting with vehicles and firearms has devastated their populations, outpacing their natural defenses. The ancient dance with predators has been replaced by a modern, one-sided conflict. Human pressure has pushed the Dama gazelle to the brink. The Dama gazelle, a creature of the arid landscapes, is particularly known for its gentle and remarkably placid nature. Their calm demeanor is a defining characteristic, setting them apart in the often harsh environments they inhabit. Beyond their individual temperament, they exhibit strong family bonds, a cornerstone of their social structure. These bonds are crucial for the survival and well-being of the herd. Mothers are deeply devoted to their calves, providing constant care and protection in their early stages of life. This maternal dedication ensures the continuation of their lineage. Within the herd, interactions are remarkably peaceful, guided by subtle cues and a complex understanding of social dynamics. These cues help maintain harmony and minimize conflict. As the largest gazelle species, they command attention with their impressive stature. Their long necks and legs not only contribute to their giraffe-like elegance, but also serve a practical purpose in their feeding habits. This unique anatomy allows them to reach higher into the trees. This adaptation allows them to browse higher foliage, accessing food sources unavailable to other grazers. It's a key advantage in their competitive environment. Their coloration varies significantly depending on their geographic location. Western populations exhibit an almost pure white coat, a striking contrast against the landscape. In contrast, eastern populations display a distinctive reddish-brown saddle, providing camouflage in their specific habitat. This regional variation highlights their adaptability. Dama gazelles sometimes choose to forage near other ungulates, forming temporary alliances for mutual benefit. They can often be seen peacefully coexisting with giraffes, sharing resources and benefiting from each other's presence. Occasionally, they even graze alongside livestock, demonstrating their adaptability to human presence. This behavior allows them to gain safety in numbers, reducing the risk of predation. These loose associations offer mutual protection, creating a network of vigilance across different species. With more eyes and ears constantly scanning the environment, the chances of spotting danger are significantly increased. Males are easily identified by their distinctive S-shaped horns, a prominent feature used in social interactions. These horns play a crucial role in ritualized, non-violent contests for dominance, establishing hierarchy within the herd. These displays are more about posture and signaling than actual combat, minimizing the risk of injury. This behavior reflects their peaceful society where cooperation and communication are valued over aggression. The Dama's gentle character and cooperative instincts are not just endearing traits. They are key to their survival in a challenging world, fostering resilience and adaptability. Their world is one of quiet strength and subtle connections, a testament to the power of community and understanding in the animal kingdom. In the often turbulent Sahel, where survival is a daily struggle, they stand as a serene presence, a symbol of resilience and harmony. The Dama Gazelle's story today is one of crisis. Once widespread, fewer than 250 remain in the wild, scattered in small, isolated groups. Modern hunting with vehicles and automatic weapons has decimated their numbers. Habitat loss from expanding agriculture and livestock, plus climate change, further threatens their survival. Fragmented populations face inbreeding and reduced genetic diversity, making them vulnerable to disease and environmental change. The Sahel's growing human population competes for the same scarce resources. Roads and settlements block ancient migration routes, isolating herds. Without urgent conservation, the Dama gazelle could vanish forever. Their struggle is a stark reminder of humanity's impact on the wild. The fading silhouette of the Dama is a call to action. Despite the odds, hope remains for the Dama gazelle. Conservationists and local communities are working to protect the last wild herds in reserves like Wadi Rim, Wadi Akim in Chad. Captive breeding programs in zoos worldwide maintain a safety net population, ensuring genetic diversity. Reintroduction projects, like those in Senegal's Gwembul Fauna Reserve, have seen captive-bred gazelles survive and breed in the wild. These successes show that recovery is possible, with dedication and planning. Community-based initiatives offer alternative livelihoods, giving locals a stake in protecting gazelles and their habitat. Empowering people to become stewards of their natural heritage is key to long-term survival. Collaboration and commitment are lighting a path forward. The Dama gazelle's future depends on these united efforts. The Dama gazelle stands as a symbol of both fragility and resilience. We've seen its daily struggles, its hidden strengths, and the immense pressures it faces. Yet, a growing movement of hope is rewriting its story through conservation, captive breeding, and community action. The path to recovery is long, but every successful birth and every protected herd is a victory. The threats remain real, but the foundation for survival is being laid. Let the Dama gazelle remind us of the beauty and responsibility we share for the wild. Its fate is in our hands. By supporting conservation and making conscious choices, we can help ensure its survival. The elegant silhouette of the Dama gazelle can still grace the Sahel's horizons. There is still time to secure a future for this gentle giant.